How to set up Tapfiliate account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to the site tapfiliate.com. It will land you on this page. Once you are in here, tap on this Get Started. So first thing you need to fill up those information. Once you have filled up, tap on Next Step. This interface will appear. The very first step is to enter your website. If you don't have it right now, you can just click on Skip for now. The second step is to add your company details. Fill up all of those information that is given here. And once you are done, tap on Next Step at the bottom right corner. Now you will have to set up your program currency and commission rules. You need to enter the title, landing page URL, affiliate partial domain, your currency, recurring commission, and also enter the commission percentage at the last. Once you are done, tap on Next Step. Now you will have to select the platform you wish to install Tapfiliate on. Let's say I want to add it in the WordPress. Click on it. It will guide you with some of the instructions. Scroll all the way down and tap on Complete. Once you tap on Complete, your Tapfiliate account will be created successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can set up your Tapfiliate account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.